Hey guys! Welcome to Polish Your English with Pau. My name is Paulina, and in this video we will learn how to use future tenses. There are a number of different ways to talk about the future in English. In this video we will have a look at 4 different ways. First of all, we will have a look at how we use will for the future. After that, we'll see how we use going to for the future. The third on our list is how we use the present continuous for the future. And finally, we'll have a look at how we use the present simple for the future. Now, you already know how to make sentences with the present simple and the present continuous. We've practiced that in Unit 1. So if you're not sure, you might want to watch the video for Unit 1 again. And at the end of this video, we will have a look at how to make sentences with will and going to. So, when do we use all these future tenses? Look at the conversation and match the examples in bold to the uses. The first one is done for you. So we use will for predictions based on personal opinions. That's why I think I'll have more free time goes into the first box. Then we also use will or future simple for immediate decisions and offers. I'll buy you your ticket. You see, this is a spontaneous decision, on the spot decision. That's why we use it with will. We use going to for predictions based on outside information. I think my cousin's going to come over. Or for example, if you look at the sky and you see that there are very thick dark clouds, you could say, I think it's going to rain. You see? And make a prediction based on what you see. We also use going to for intentions or things we are planning. I'm going to watch more live music next year. And finally, we use present continuous for organized arrangements. I'm meeting Tim at 6:30 p.m. tonight. And we use the present simple for scheduled or timetabled events. It starts at 8 p.m. So, if it's something that happens regularly, when it's scheduled, that's when we use the present simple. There is a small difference between predictions with will and going to. Quite often we can interchange them. Immediate decisions are ones made in the moment. I'll email you later. This isn't planned, so I'll change the topic now. If I started to speak about the passive, I would do that. So yeah, I could use will to say, oh, I'll explain the passive now. But no, let's stick to future tenses. Arrangements usually have times and dates, so this is when we use the present continuous, when we know the day and the time. So for example, on Friday at 12 o'clock, I'm seeing my dentist. I'm not happy about it, I'm scared of dentists. And I've already scheduled my visit. It's at my appointment. It's at 12 o'clock on Friday. So, I'm seeing my dentist on Friday. In connected speech, we often pronounce going to as gonna. Listen to how your teacher says it and repeat. I'm gonna watch more live music next year. I'm gonna watch more live music next year. Now, how do we make sentences with will and going to? I know you love tables, so. Good news, will is a modal verb, so it's quite easy because as it is a strong verb, it is used to make questions, negatives, and it is always followed by infinitive. So if you have a look at the table on your left, you can complete it with examples. Well, you can create examples by completing the table with come. So in the first one we will say I will, and the infinitive of come is come. So I will come. Now I told you that in the negative sentences we use will because it's a modal verb, a strong verb. We say will not or won't. We use will in questions and we use will in short answers. Yes, I will. No, I will not. Or no, I won't. Now let's have a look at the table on your right. Going to. Going to is a very special use of present continuous. So if you think that it behaves just like the present continuous tense, I suppose you'll know how to complete this table. He, she, it is going or isn't going to come. In questions we use the verb be, so am I going to come? Are you or they, are we going to come? And in short answers we use the verb be, so yes I am, yes he is, yes we are. And in the short negative answers we say no I'm not, or no I am not. And that is everything. Remember, after will we use the infinitive, the verb without to. And now it's time to practice. Complete the gaps with one of the verbs in the box in the correct tense. Justify your answers. And of course, we're going to do the first one together. So, I, banana, tennis lessons next year. I think I, banana, good at it. So, next year, it looks like a plan. Okay, so I would say I'm going to start tennis lesson next year, or I'm starting tennis lessons next year. Now we don't have a precise day here or hour, the time, so I would go for going to. I'm going to start tennis lessons next year. I think. Now this is a prediction. If I've ever tried to play tennis and I know I can be good at it, so I'd say I think I'm going to be good at it. Because, well, if I've played, I've got some evidence, but if I've never tried it, it's a prediction, it's just based on a feeling, so then I would use I will. I've never played tennis, so I would say I think I will be good at it. But let's see. The correct answers are I'm going to and I will be good at it. But as you can see, sometimes there might be more than one option. So, now over to you. Have a look at sentences 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you would like to think about it, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you the answers in 10 seconds. Alright, let's check together. Where's Stella going? She's going to meet? She's meeting? Or she meets? Well, you can see Stella going. It's based on evidence. I think it's she's going or she's meeting. She's meeting because it's in 10 minutes. So we know when exactly. Now, how about number 3? Can we talk later? The concert is at 9:30. That's scheduled. That's definitely present simple. So I will call you after if it's a spontaneous decision. So I'm going to call you after could also be possible here. This is my intention to call you. Alright, so here 2 options are possible. Number 4, I banana to the theme park tomorrow because I banana it. I'm scared of rides. So I'm not coming to the theme park tomorrow. Now, this is a fixed plan because I don't like it. I'm scared of rides. Or I won't like it. So I'm not coming. That's definitely present continuous. Here you could say I don't like or I won't like it. If you're sure you will not like something because, well, you're scared of it, then it's fine to say future simple here. Present simple would also make sense. And finally, my teacher thinks it is going to rain this evening, so this trip might be cancelled. It's a prediction, probably based on evidence, like probably the teacher has seen the sky or maybe even the weather forecast. So my teacher thinks it's going to rain this evening, so the trip might be cancelled. And that is everything for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in class. Please leave me thumbs up and leave me a comment. If there's anything you would like to know before class, you can also ask me in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you. And that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in class. Bye!